This is Paul Singh, the market speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. Today we're going to go over how to trade the rubber band setup or an oversold bounce type setup here with UCO, our current oil position here. And it's also doubling as the third in our series of live trades. So we're hitting these as the trades are in play. These are swing trades here. We just did a post here on BRZU, which we're still in the second half. We've taken some partial profits in here, and it's taking a second to load up here for some reason. Here we got our entry here, bullish engulfing, took half off after a 20-point gain, and we're waiting for the next move up here. We've also got another one, Netflix, which was the gap down reversal play. You can see here, on this move over the 50-day, and we're up a nice 2 points there. And now for the oil play, and this is a big one here. So basically through this deep pullback here, which was getting very extended, if we pull this back here, we had run here from about 14 all the way down to 10, which makes it about a 25% move, somewhere in there. Very oversold. At this point here, we had essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, a bunch of days of straight down days with maybe a couple of little green days in here. But we were looking for the reversal play. And when we're doing this, we're not just looking for a green day. You can see we had a couple of green days in here, which we didn't take. We're looking for really strong reversal signals. These weren't really giving us that. Now, I would have reversed it, played the reversal if, say, we'd had some confirmation here, but it wasn't really a strong signal. Whereas here we were more extended. You can see stochastics down here at extreme levels. And then we got this bullish engulfing candle, which basically gave us a pivot here and showed extreme strength. And that's what we're waiting for to get in. We're not just guessing here. So we entered in here, I think it was around 834. And we had our first target at about 10, somewhere between the 10 to 11 range. And today I decided to get out right a little above 10. I think it was around 10.06. Half of the position, we had 1,000 shares. So that's about $1,700, $1,800 here. And then the remaining position here, unrealized, we're up about 27 to 3,000 here, but we took half off. Now with the remaining position, we're going to take maybe another quarter off if we can get up here above 11. And then that last piece, we'll see if we can't get that bigger move. Now, a lot of people, they'll move their stop up to the target level. What I like to do is trail that stop to logical levels. So right now, on the remaining position, my stop is at about 920, under the 9 here, to lock in that 830 to 920 move at least if it pulls back. So I'm not giving too much back on the profit. And that's a mistake I think a lot of swing traders make. They give too much back on their trailing positions. You don't want to give too much back. Just give it a little room to move here. And we're already up to 1027. If we get up to 1150, I'll look to take some more off. And then again, if we move higher here. So we know this is already a really successful trade in here. We've got half remaining, and we'll see how that plays out. So for this oversold bot position, the key elements of this trade is we want extreme oversold levels. We want a lot of days in a row of downside, and then we want stochastics below 10, not even 20. Most people like to see it at 20 or 30. We want to see that stochastic around 10. And then we want that strong entry signal. We're not going to guess, not just because it's a green day. We want some strength, preferably some volume, but that's not a requirement. So those are really the three main things we're looking at. And then we're going to stagger out of the position. I'm not just going to take the full profit here because you never know how much these things are going to bounce. And maybe there's a complete reversal. We want to be able to take care of that upside. So that's how we trade these rubber band setups or oversold bounce type setups. Another live trade that we're in along with BRZU and Netflix. And as these trades play out, I'll be updating all of these trades with some more posts here, some more videos here. And don't forget, guys, these trades were all alerted to Bulls on Wall Street swing trade alert members. And you can go in here and sign up here. $99 for the monthly plan. There's a free weekly swing report too, so make sure to sign up for that for free, and you get my weekly report, which just went out today. And by the way, we were talking about GoPro as one of our 4 actionable setups, and look at how it's flying today. So make sure to sign up for that. And then the monthly plan here for the daily swing, where you get my trade alerts, daily analysis and videos, $99 a month, and the annual, a fantastic plan here at regularly $1,200. You get it for $599. So make sure to keep on the lookout here in the blog. If you're on the email list, if you're not, make sure to get on the email list, and you'll get these free posts updating you on how these trades are going.